Hey everyone! Welcome back to Asad AI World. Today, I'll show you how to get unlimited Sora 2 invite codes. It's super easy, so stay with me till the end. First, open your favorite browser and go to Sora.chatgpt.com. Once you're there, click on Join New Sora. You'll notice that it asks for an invite code. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get it. Now, open a new incognito window and search for Escaping Work Sora. Click on the first website that appears. Do exactly what I'm doing. Copy and paste the text shown on the site. Then type the number 4 where I do. After that, copy the generated code. Before you enter the code on the Sora site, make sure to connect your VPN to the USA. If you skip this step, the code might work, but you won't get Sora 2 access properly. And there you go, this is the Sora 2 dashboard. Enjoy unlimited access. Before you leave, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. It really helps me out and keeps this channel growing. Thanks for watching. This is Asad AI World. See you in the next video.